In this video, I'm going to teach you how to do the vertical clove hitch. This knot will let you do projects like the one behind me. At the end, I'm going to show you how I hide my cords.
Take a cord, wrap it behind the first two cords. Make a loop, take the other end, put it behind the two cords, and now you're going to pull it up through that loop and pull it all the way through. Pull it up to the top, keep it snug. Now we're going to make a loop again. Take the other end, put it around the back. Keep those two cords nice and straight and even side by side. And now pull that through the opening again. Pull it up next to the other one and make it nice and snug. And that's your first one. Now we're going to do that again. We're always wrapping twice around the two vertical cords. Take your cord, the working cord, around the back, make your loop, take your end around those two cords, through the loop, all the way through, up to the top, and keep it snug. Now again, we're going to make the loop, take the end around the back and up through the loop and pull it snug. I'll explain it again. Around the back, make your loop, take the end around the back, through the opening and through. Pull it all the way. Make another loop. Take the end around the back and up through the loop. And you want to pull it nice and snug. We'll do it one more time. Around the back, make the loop. Take the end around the two, up through the loop. The loop around the back. Now we have our first row, and now we're going to go from the left to the right. So take your cord, put it behind the two cords. Now the loop is coming from the left side to the right side. Take your end, put it around the back and up through the loop. So we're just doing this in reverse now. Nice and snug. Make your loop, take your end around the back and through the loop. Around the back of the next two. Make your loop, take your end around the back and through the opening. Your loop around the two cords. Again, always making sure your two cords are nice and side by side. I'll do that 2 more times. Now we could just continue down this way as long as you have enough cord. Now I'm going to show you how to tuck the ends in at the back. So now what you want to do is take your cord and tuck it into one of these. I like to skip the first one and just pull it in behind and pull it through. You take the other one and do the same thing. Just pull it in behind. See how I'm struggling there? Now a great tool to do this are these, I do not know what these are called, but see how it has this here? You can snap it shut and then the tip doesn't open. So what I like to do is take the tip, put it behind
the loop I want, then I can open up the nose, grab the cord, and pull it through. You don't need that locking feature, but it's just in some situations it's really helpful. So now you have your cords tucked in. What you can do to make sure they don't come apart is I like to take a little bit of fabric glue, put a little dab where you want it, and then let it dry, and it will dry clear. So that'll just keep it in place. And then I could wait for it to dry, but I'm not. And then just cut the ends. I'm going to do a couple more rows so you can see what it looks like with more vertical double half hitches. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you'd like more of my content, click the subscribe button and the bell icon so you're notified when I release new tutorials. This channel is new and I'd love your feedback. Please just comment in the comments below. Are you able to understand me? Is it easy to follow these tutorials? Anything you'd like to share with me? And if there's any tutorials you'd like to see in the future. Thank you so much, and your insight is really appreciated. Have fun macrameing.